open your mind to discover this beautiful place we call home. This beautiful place we call home.
I'm really excited to check out the Mother's Day booth and really appreciate my mom and both Mother Earth.
Have you tried the hardwood cider? I heard it's really good.
I'm most excited about the seedlings that they'll be selling. So they're going to be having a variety of different plants and wildflowers, peas, and much more. So I'm super excited to get my hands on these plants itself and possibly start my own little garden.
I'm looking for a gift for my mom, so I'm going to check out the indigenous artwork and beadwork.
Hi, I'm Mia, and I'm the 7th generation GTB Eco Leader from Markville Secondary School. We're all getting ready to bring to you the very first GTB Bioregional Eco Market. I'm Dia, I'm Ella, I'm Emily, and I'm Lemon, and we are the Markville Secondary School Eco Club's exact team. So what is the market about? The GTB Bioregional Eco Market aims to go beyond your traditional farmer's market. Not only will this market sell products with a focus on regeneration, it aims to give stories and knowledge.
The GTB has a vibrant and ecologically varied forest, parks, and wetland. For us personally, this event is a very crucial opportunity for us to bring together old and new generations to reflect on our impacts on the planet.
The GTB is the place we live and the place that gives us life. GTB stands for the Greater Tkaronto Bioregion. It spans from the Niagara Escarpment to the Oak Ridges Moraine and to Lake Ontario.
Market will take place on Saturday, May 11th from 1 to 5 p.m. at Markham Museum's Transportation Hall. So please sign up on the Eventbrite. We're so excited to see you there. And I hope you're excited to celebrate all mothers from Mother Earth to yours.